Hello guys and welcome to Cooking with NAAZ. This morning I woke up and I was very hungry. So I decided to make egg and sausage. So what I will be needing is 4 eggs. I've got 3 tomatoes. I've got a few green chilies. I love my breakfast chili. So I also will be using some garlic. I have also got some beef sausage. I will also be needing some salt and some oil. So I started off with slicing my sausage. So here we go. I've got the sausage. It's a chicken and beef mix sausage I've got over here. I will be slicing this up and fry them first. There you go. All nice and sliced up. And I will be adding them to my pan with oil and fry them. There you go. Just add your sausage and fry them till they're nice and brown. I just woke up this morning and I thought, you know what? I feel like an egg and sausage. So I woke up, got up out of bed, and this is what I done. So here we go. Sausage is my favourite though, just to let you know. There we go. Frying up nicely. I've got my tomatoes nice and sliced up as well already. There you go. My sausage is getting nice and brown now. As you can see, the texture of my sausage is nice and crispy. So once you fry your sausage, they will get nice and crispy from the outside but nice and soft from the inside, which is absolutely amazing, guys. There we go. I've took them out the oil now, so they are all ready to be on top of my egg once it is done. So let's start off with my tomato slices. There we go, tomatoes all ready. I will be adding those to my oil. There you go. Bear in mind, guys, I've still used the same oil as I've fried my sausage in. So that is what it will look like after a while. So you let the tomatoes sit, they will go nice and soft, they will not be visible no more. They will go nice and soft. There you go. Just cover the top of it and let it steam in itself. So you will get sauce. Now I will be adding my chilies into my tomatoes. Got my chilies and my garlic all ready to be added into my sauce. There you go, that is my tomato being cooked in. It is time to add some salt into my tomatoes. There you go, garlic and chili added into the tomatoes. I will be mixing this now. Close the top and let it be sitting in for a bit so it goes nice and soft and more like a sauce. There we go, I've got my 4 eggs all ready. I will be cracking those and put them on the plate. And obviously, not to forget the one and only plants in my kitchen, guys. So while my sauce is cooking and getting ready, as you can tell in the background, you've got my beautiful plant here in front of you. The tomato is getting more of a saucy texture now. It's getting cooked properly. The tomatoes are all dissolving. You've got the chilies, you've got the garlic, and the smell, guys. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. That's why you want to wake up to someone cooking this for you in the morning. So you guys should get up and make this for your partners. There you go. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs all cracked up. And I will be adding those into my sauce. There we go. All done. Make sure to cook your eggs proper, guys. You do not want anyone to come and wake up and eat raw eggs. Close the top and let it cook, guys. There you go, my eggs are getting cooked, guys, as you can tell. They're not as raw anymore. I will be adding the sausage now. There we go. The sausage tastes delicious on top of the egg. I will be cooking this on top and just leave it for a bit now. so my sausage will be nice and warm as well. There you go, guys. It's nearly ready to get served up. Just making sure everything's not sticking to the bottom. How amazing does this look, guys? It looks fabulous. I think it's nearly time to serve up. So get your plates ready and I'd say dive into your breakfast. There we go, guys. It's all served up. I've added some fresh mint on top as well, which I love. And just let me know. Just let me know in the comments, how amazing does this look for breakfast? Oh my god, I wish I could eat this every single morning. I wish I had someone who could make this for me every single morning. I would be fat by the end of the week. Oh my god, it's amazing. Absolutely delicious. And there we go. This is the end result, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, guys. If there's anything else you want me to make, just drop me a message, guys, and I will get back to you. And as I would say, guys, I will see you later.